Today we'll be using the 1N color, which is jet black, with the 8-volume developer. The Demi-Permanent color line by Influance is both demi and permanent depending on which developer you use. It is infused with macadamia oil and ammonia free. You want to start by putting on your gloves. You want to make sure that the scale reads 0 ounces with the color bowl on top of the scale. Your mixing ratio is going to be 1:1. 1 part color, 1 part developer. After setting up your scale, next you're going to pour your 8-volume developer into your color bowl. Next you're going to add your color. Now it's time to mix. You want to mix until you achieve a creamy consistency. I've already relaxed and shampooed the client's hair, and now I'm going to apply the demi color. I've already sectioned the hair into 4 quadrants, and I'll begin applying the color in the back right quadrant. Apply a generous amount of color on the brush. You want to evenly distribute the color throughout the hair. After you've applied the color to the entire head, you can let the color process for up to 30 to 45 minutes. For more information, please visit influencehaircare.com and be sure to subscribe.